Hi friends, let's begin drawing sulfur, a piece of sulfur. These are all completely different shapes with irregular lines, so kindly follow along. The lines will be wavy. Now, do the same for the other side. Just follow along. You can simply draw an irregular line to form a big piece of sulfur. Sulfur is yellow in color, so we are going to use different shades of yellow, green, and dark brown to make it look more realistic. Kindly follow along. I'm using a bright yellow color pencil, but you can also use sketch pens or watercolors for a better effect. You can comment below on what you would like me to draw in my future videos. In my upcoming videos, I can simplify and demonstrate even the most complicated drawings step by step, making them easy for you to follow. You can request me to draw anything related to science, chemistry, physics, biology, social science, or any other academic topic. Just comment with the name of an experiment, concept, or topic, and I will check your suggestions and create a drawing for you. Use a black pen or a black sketch pen to outline the drawing. You can use this diagram in your chemistry notes. That's it. We have completed drawing sulfur. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next drawing session. Bye for now.